Good evening, everyone. My name is Shivam Mahajan, and my enrollment number is FT38204. We have created the project on the real estate price prediction, and on this, we have used different kinds of library. And for checking my knowledge, the Krishna is going to ask me the questions regarding to the project.
Okay, so my first question is, what is the most challenging technical problem you encounter in your project?
Okay, Krishna. So basically, the most challenging problem which we have encountered is the collection of data, as we have used the web scraping from extracting the data, and there are the different websites available for extracting the data, and all of the websites have the different things to extract. Some will have some have the different information, some have the different information. So basically, by merging those we have created it was really challenging, and it was too time consuming itself, because for extracting the 1,000 rows of data, we needed a time to 4 to 5 hours. So basically it was too much time consuming for extracting all the data. So this is the most challenging problem which we have faced.
Okay, fine. My second question is, describe a piece of feedback you received on your project and how you implemented it.
Okay, so when we are just creating the dashboard, there are the different types of charts. Like we have used the nominal charts, but when the sir has just witnessed us, so he has implemented. He has suggested to use the DEX queries and create the more powerful insights by using the DEX functions, and by creating the measures as well. So basically, we have understood that problem, and we have implemented it on our project as well.
Okay, my last question is, what was your contribution to the project?
Okay, so it was one of the great project, and I have enjoyed creating this project as well. So basically, there are multiple things which I have done in this project. So first of all, if we talk about the web scraping, so it was the combined efforts of all the team members, and I have contributed by extracting the data of two three different 2 3 different cities, and after that the if we talk about the creating the dashboard, so basically I have contributed in creating the dashboard as well by finding the insights and implementing it into the dashboards of Power BI. So this is all my contribution towards this project. Yeah.
Fine, fine.
Yeah, so moving towards the let me ask Ashish Dabas the questions regarding to these projects.
Sure.
Yeah.
Hi, my name is Ashish Dabas. My student code is FT37_855. Recently we have completed a project on real estate price prediction, and regarding that, Shivam is going to ask me a few questions about my project. Over to you, Shivam.
Yeah. So Ashish, tell me what was your contribution toward this project?
Shivam, basically my contribution to this project was basically focusing on data collection, cleaning, and analyzing, particularly using by Jupyter Notebook. I was responsible in helping web scraping from multiple cities, and after that we have uh, done data cleaning and pre-processing of the data using pandas and numpy library to remove outliers and normalizing features. Data visualization, basically I created insightful visualization using matplotlib or c1 lab that will be merged in the Power BI to create insights and using a provide a useful user friendly interface for stakeholders to explore the data.
Okay. So what is the scope of this project, and why you have did chosen this project?
So basically the scope of this project includes collecting the real estate price data from multiple platforms and cleaning and analyzing data to identify patterns, factors basically that influence the property prices. uh, then other thing we were talking about, that predicting the price trends in the recent era of properties, then visual data through an interactive Power BI dashboard for better decision making. So basically we choose this because real estate market is a very dynamic market, and analyzing trends can make an informed investment decision.
Okay, Ashish. So let me ask you a last question. What specific technology did you use in this project, and what new technologies you have learned in this project?
Um, Basically, we have used multiple technologies in this one, but the most common and useful for this project was Python, in which we have used the Jupyter Notebook and the libraries, including our Pandas, NumPy, Selenium. In Selenium, we choose for web scraping, in which basically it handles dynamic content and allow for automation interaction with the web page. Pandas and NumPy basically used to clean and store the data and perform media on that. Then we used the Power BI desktop to because Power BI allows us to for dynamic and real time data visualization and interaction. Thank you.
Okay, so this is all from my side. Now you can ask Krishna questions as well regarding to this project.
Yeah, sure. Krishna, you're in. Can you please introduce yourself?
Okay, so I'm Krishna the next student code FT38_723. Okay, Ashish, you can ask me anything about the project.
Okay, Krishna, do you encounter any performance issue? How did you identify and address them?
Yes, during making this project, we have to first web scrap the data. We have to start from scratch. That's where we encounter some of issues by using Selenium. We explore many sites where we can get the data of real estate, but we failed to get enough data. That's where we encountered the performance issue. Uh, we did, we talked about that with our IA, and we decided to go for one square yard website where we collect enough of the data for the dashboard.
That's great, Krishna. So my another question was, can you please explain me the architecture of your project and why was it designed in this way only?
Yeah, definitely. So the project architecture was like we have to scrap the data from the website. After that, we have to clean the data using uh, Python. After cleaning, we have to push that in Power BI where we can perform test functions uh, and get the insights to help getting insights and help in decision making.
That's great, Krishna. So my last question is, what was your contribution to this project?
Okay, so we have divided the work like we all scrap the data from website. We have divided the cities. I have scrapped some of the cities data, and after cleaning the data, we perform some of the text functions, and I contributed in making the dashboard more appealing and insightful.
Thank you so much, Krishna. I've seen that you have contributed a lot in this project. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you.